Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through on order processing, how to verify an order, how to cancel an order, and how to complete your order processing. Firstly, we'll start with order verification. Order verification is payment related, and also you can verify an order when you are sure that your customer is committed to the order. Then you can process it. So to verify an order, what you do is come here to order. Then you click on orders, which shows the list of orders that has been placed on your platform. You have the date, the ID, the email address of the customer, the total, the payment method, the delivery type, and you can see that the status is pending because we have not verified this order. We'll not start the order process. So to verify, click on this eye icon here, and you can see we can verify the order. And like I said earlier, verification is payment related, especially for payment on delivery. When your payment method is POD, then you have to verify your order manually after you've confirmed from the customer and the customer is committed to the order. But when your payment method is online and your customer has paid online using our payment processor, either Flutter Wave or Paystack, then the verification process is skipped because it would have auto verified the order, and you don't have to verify manually again. You only verify manually when your payment method is payment on delivery. So here we verify this order. Now to cancel this order, you can cancel an order due to so many reasons. Then click here, you have the reason, maybe the customer did not pay, the product is out of stock, or after you've confirmed from your customer and you see that the customer is not ready to commit to the order, then you can cancel the order for so many reasons. Customer request, delayed delivery, or the customer is unreachable. And also it is safe to note that once you cancel an order, you cannot verify that order again. But once you verify an order, you can still cancel the order. But here I'm going to verify this order first. So after we verified, you can see that the status of this order is verified, and now we can continue the process of to allocate this order to a shipper. For allocation, you can allocate both lines of your order to the same shipper, and you can as well allocate to different shipper. Maybe you want to delay allocation because you do not have the stock at the moment, or you don't have a shipper that is ready to carry or to take up that product at that time. Then you can just allocate one of the order line, or you can allocate both of the order lines when you are sure that the shipper is you have the product in your stock and you have a shipper that can carry the products. Then you can ship both lines, or you can ship all the lines of the order that you have. But you can delay allocation if you don't have the product in stock, or if you don't have a shipper that is ready to carry it, or for whatever reason you just want to delay allocation of one of the products, then you can just allocate just one of the other line to a shipper, or you can process the two at the same time. Now, a shipper is a delivery or logistics provider. Our normal courier system that we have in Nigeria, like DHL and all, while shipment is the actual delivery process of one or more orders using a shipper. So here I want to allocate these two order line to a shipper. So you click on allocate. And once you allocate, you can select from an existing shipment. So we have some existing shipments, or you can create a new shipment. So once you create a new shipment, you have to create a new shipper, or you can also pick from an existing shipper as well. So I'm going to create a new shipper. I have the name of the shipper, and the email address. Then expected dates. Expected dates is based on your agreement with the shipper. If you've called your shipper and the shipper is saying that, oh yes, I can deliver these goods tomorrow, or I can deliver the goods in the next 2 weeks or in the next 3 weeks, then that is when you can set your expected dates. Expected date is not for you to just pick at your own discretion. You only pick an expected date based on the conversation that you've had with your shipper when your shipper is ready to deliver the goods. So I'm picking this date. And the shipping cost is how much you as a seller is paying the shipper. This is different from the delivery fee that you've charged to your customer on the order. This is how much you are paying your shipper. And then we can submit. So once we submit, we have a shipper and a shipment that has been created for us. So our shipment is saved successfully, and we can see that the status has changed to allocated. Now to complete this order, we'll now come down to shipping. Click on shipments, and this is where we have the list of shipments that we have. And you click on, this is the one we just created now. You can see the shipment ID, the status is allocated. We have the shipper name as well as the expected dates of delivery with the shipment cost. Now you can see here we have the two order line. Now at this point, you can either process all the orders that you have here at the same time, or cancel all the orders that you have here at the same time. Now once you cancel shipments here, you are not canceling the order. What you are doing is you are deallocating the order. You are deallocating the order from this shipper and allocating it to another shipper. So you can either process it at once, or you um you can either process it all the other line at once, or you cancel all the other line at once. And then we can process this, ship the order, or we can cancel shipments. Let's click here. And at every process of your shipment here, when the order has been shipped, the user gets email. Orlit sends an email to the user that your your product has been shipped, your product has left the storehouse and is on its way to you. After the product has been delivered as well, the user gets a mail notification. So at every point of the shipment, at every point of the order process, users get they get a mail notification from Orlit to inform them of the movements of their products. And so we can see here, I've shipped this, and after your shipper has delivered the products, then you can also come here and mark that, oh, this product has been delivered. And we'll see that the status here will change to delivered. So refresh this page to show the delivery. See the status has changed to delivered, and from here you can see the actual date of delivery also, and the time of delivery is here. And also you can search for shipments. You can search for shipments by ID or by the shipper name. An order, let me look for an order that is allocated here. So to cancel this shipment now, you just select it and then you cancel shipment. And canceling shipment means I want to reallocate it. I want to deallocate it from this shipper called David and allocate it to another shipper. So you can just cancel the shipment. It has been cancelled, and then I refresh this page. The shipper name is David, and you can see that the status is even cancelled. And you will not find any allocation to that shipper here. So that is how to cancel a shipment. Also on orders, you can search for your order by order ID, by the customer email address, also by phone number as well. And you can see here that this order, the status of this order is completed. So here we have completed the order process. We've allocated to a shipper, and the shipper has delivered the shipment to the customer, and the order process is completed. Thank you.